Hello, AP World student. You can see I'm here in the comfort of my own home. Behind me there, we got the globes, got some books. You know the thing about globes? They mean the world to me. All right, let's move ahead. Our objective throughout this is we're going to use all our historical thinking skills and major themes of history to review for the AP exam. And we are on Unit 1 review. So let's go ahead and let's look at our agenda. No number 1 there. So let's go skip to number 2. All right, so we're looking at our Unit 1 review, and let's go take a look at it piece by piece. If you're a little behind, let's see everything that you have to get done. Number 1 is you need to take notes on here, Unit 1 review. If you are behind, what you need to do is you need to go back to review time and go click on here and get started on Heimler's History Review Guide. I sent you an email code for you to punch in there so you get all access to Heimler History Review, which we got. And there's your Google Doc, which you will copy and then use to take notes. And you'll just listen to Heimler speak, pause a lot because, like a lot of history teachers, he speaks fast, and get the best possible notes that you can in there. It'll probably take you about half an hour with all the pausing, I imagine. All right, and many of you are done with that already, which you should be. Number 2, if we're looking at our checklist of things to do, Flipgrid should be done. And many of you got this done. There's our Flipgrid right there, and there's a number of you guys. You made some really cool videos, gave your opinion on the review game. So what were you supposed to do there? Let's review that. If you're already done, just be patient. So you were to go to Flipgrid. You were to punch in the code that I gave you and play some of these review games to see how well you could do. And then afterwards, you went to Flipgrid, was your job, and to just make a video giving your opinion on there. And there's oh, that guy's good looking. Yeah, he is. All right, to answer these questions on there after playing the game and give your opinion of the game, if you liked it, if it helped you or not. And there's several videos of your classmates you could watch before you put yours if you want to see how it's supposed to be done. All right, let's double check that. And by the way, that Flipgrid's worth 3 points. If you didn't do it now. You can still get those points. Your notes are worth 10 points, and you're going to turn those in at turnin.com shortly. Soon you will turn those in. All right, and what else is due here? All right, your Unit 1 graphic organizer that we worked on together. That is right here, and on here you should have your SAQs, your claim, evidence, explanations in there should be done. For your SAQs, have those filled out as much as possible. Look at other people's answers, what they have down. Since we can't get together and work on these in groups, I think it's really important that you read other people's work and see what they have. And you're supposed to have 1 CEE for your LEQ. That should be done already. If it's not, pause the video right now and get that done first. All right, moving ahead. So your homework assignment for today and for the weekend is going to be for you to finish your graphic organizer completely. So have 2 claim, evidence, explanations for your LEQs done. If you're struggling, you can't find it, read other people's ideas they have so far. Talk to other people. You can definitely give someone a call. Use the group chat. If you have a group chat or even a group of 4 or 5 in this class you talk to, depend on those people now. It's what you'll do in college. And I'd like to point out, if you can pass all these things, communicate with the people around you and get this done, you're ready for college, because this is a lot of how college works. All right, so have your 2 claim, evidence, explanations for your LEQ done, and then you're going to need to do your context and your thesis statement. Quick review, context. The cheat for this one, explain the really important things that are going on in this era, Unit 1 review. AMSCO, your textbook, page 1. Page 1 gives the context for the global tapestry. Read that. Fill out your graphic organizer. Again, our group graphic organizer here. So go ahead, go there and go down where our LEQs are and fill out here the context the best that you can. And put your initials by the one that you do. So just fill that in. More people that do this, the easier this is going to be. And then your thesis statement. And remember, your thesis statement is the combination of your claims. Claim 1 plus claim 2. That is basically how we are doing our thesis statements. Now, at the time I'm recording this, I don't know if this is going to happen, but if I get 6 students who give me feedback and say either on any YouTube video, the last one that I made, the one that I made posted yesterday, or the website post and say yes, or that they want to be part of a conference about the DBQ and LEQ, we will have a Zoom conference at 12 o'clock on Friday, 12 o'clock today on Friday, where we can talk to each other, you can ask questions, and we can go over the SAQs and the LEQ. All right, so homework over the weekend. Here is basically what is going to be due. What you need to have done by Sunday night is you need to have your entire graphic organizer done, everything caught up for Unit 1 review. Monday at 11:59, you will turn in Unit 1 review to turnitin.com. So Unit 1 review right here, this is the one where you individually took notes. And then your SAQs, here's where you need to write them. You need to write them in these spaces. So on your Unit 1 review where you took notes, where you have your SAQs, here's where you will write them as your final copies inside of those boxes for A, B, and C. And that's what I'll be grading. And I'll put your grades on there as well. And then you will also do the same for your LEQ. And I will get grades on there. All right? So these need to be turned in to turnitin.com. I will get your grade back to you. I'll email it to you like I normally do in class. I'll send you an email with your grade on it. So that is what needs to be done. So again, let's review that. So for Sunday, all of this needs to be done. Some of you are like, all you got to do is do one more CEE, context and thesis, and you're good. Some of you are a little behind and you got to get caught up. That's okay. Monday, you need to have the whole thing done. So if you're ahead, maybe you want to start writing these out right on this weekend. Maybe you can get ahead so you can go and do your English or some other homework. Okay? Or just get it done ahead of time so you can relax a little bit. That is fine. I will talk to you guys later. Keep up the good work. We're going to get to Unit 2 here pretty soon. We're ahead of the game. I'm reviewing everything on these unit review guides with a number of other teachers in the Facebook group. I'm going to make sure that we are going to be in the best position possible for this exam coming up. Keep up the good work, guys. You're doing a really good job. I will talk to you later.